Hey, what's going on, people? Q here. Welcome back to Tech Rants. And today I'm going to be doing the iPhone 8 unboxing in 2020. Yeah, I know it's old, but hey, still an iPhone. People are still going to buy it. It's the cheapest iPhone you can buy. So let's do an unboxing and talk about whether it's worth it in 2020. Let's talk. All right, so if you guys don't know, the iPhone 8 has been my daily driver for the past year. I've been having some issues with it. Nothing major, but I did a warranty exchange through Verizon, and they replaced it for me. So here I am today to give you my unboxing and first impressions. So for those that don't know, this here is the Space Gray 64 gigabyte model. Uh, this is has A11 Bionic chipset, 12 megapixel camera on the back, shoots in 4K 60 frames per second. 7 megapixel camera on the front, shoots 1080 to 30 or 60 frames per second. Has Touch ID second generation, stereo speakers, no headphone jack. It is capable of fast charging, but you have to buy it. So yeah, take a look at this here. One thing about Apple products is once you get the box open to get the wrapper off, it just slides out easily. Slides out like that, just boom. So let's take a look. So you open up, get your pamphlet, usual books, plug it, file it to the side, and on top you have your device. Feels a little different. Feels a lot heavier than mine. This is an iPhone. Huh. Interesting. Feels a lot different, a lot better than mine. It's kind of cold because it's been outside. You have your AirPods or EarPods with lightning cable. So very nice. You have your wall adapter, standard brick, but it works. And then you have your Apple lightning cable. So very nice. You know, people like these headphones. Don't know why, but they do. So hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to set all this to the side, and we're going to get into the phone. All right, so take a look here. Very nice design. On the right side, you have your power button. On the left side, you have your volume switch and your um, silent switch. I like that. On the back, you have a 12 megapixel camera with your LED flash. Glass frame on the back. This has wireless charging. On the front, you have your 7 megapixel camera and your proximity sensor. So very nice. Let's go ahead and remove this off the back. Oh, goes all the way around. All right, remove that. Satisfying feeling. And let's go ahead and give it its first boot up. Very nice phone. A11 Bionic chip, man. This feels wonderful. It really does feel wonderful in my hand. Compact design, man. I tell you, I like it. I really do. All right, so it's on. It's powered on quick. Voiceover. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to come back when this is all finished. I just want to give a progress update. I am currently setting up the new iPhone, so it's going to take a little minute, but so far so good. You know, definitely liking it. You know, like I said, this has been my daily driver, but just a smell test on that, brand new. So we're going to see how this goes, and yeah, I'll be back once we finish. All right, so we're just about finished. Taking a look at it here. It is currently transferring my data from my other iPhone, so that's going to take a minute. But so far, man, this is actually feeling faster than my new iPhone. Apparently, you know, I don't know, but maybe Apple does do this after a year or so. They make phones a lot slower and just unbearable to use. My old phone is definitely it's not unbearable to use by any stretch of the imagination, but it definitely, you know, was moving so slow. So, all right, so I'm going to agree to these terms and conditions.
Agree.
I
Settings
agree.
from your other iPhone. The following. Learn more. Allow Siri to use your voice and custom share analytic custom continue
Continue.
button. Keep your iPhone up to date. Get continue. Install updates manually. Button. Get the latest feature. Install updates manually. Continue. Photo of person. Add cards to Apple Card. Continue. Set up later in
I'll
wallet.
set up
Set up later
later.
in wallet.
All right.
Siri
So
icon. Share audio. Not now. About improve Siri. Improves help app about share not share Siri icon. Improve Siri and dictation. Help Apple improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store audio of your Siri and share audio. Not now.
no,
Not
don't
now.
want that.
App analytics. Help app about. Don't share with. Don't share. Button.
Don't share.
Don't share.
All right. So just finish setting it up here.
Time remaining. Estimating. Time progress. 11%. Keep your other iPhone
All right.
nearby.
So this is at 11%. So this is actually doing pretty good. So I got pretty good internet as well. So that helps. So while that's doing that, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why you should consider the iPhone 8 in 2019. I mean 2020. So currently, right now, the iPhone 8 is the cheapest iPhone that Apple sells and still supports. Now, at this point, the device is 3 years old. Now, if we take a look at the past patterns of Apple devices, we're going to go all the way back to the iPhone 4S. The iPhone 4S came out in 2011. Came out with iOS 5. So from then on, it got 6, it got 7, it got 8, and it got 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 years of upgrades. Okay? You take a look at the 5S, which was one of the interesting ones. It really surprised me. It came out with iOS 7, but they got 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 5 years updates. Take a look at the 6. Came out with iOS 8. It got 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. So 4 years. So 6S, came out with iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there's a possibility I'm hearing that it's going to get iOS 14. So the iPhone 8 came out with iOS 11, 12, 13. It's damn sure bound to get 14, 15, and maybe 16. So it's good for another 2 years with no issue, which most people keep their phones for 2 years. So me personally, I think the iPhone 8 is still a good buy. $449. Yeah, probably not the best, but it works.
Progress.
So
74%.
so this is at 74%. So this is almost done. So it's doing pretty good. But yeah, iPhone 8's Touch ID, camera's pretty good. The speed is wonderful. Battery life is it's hit or miss, but it's a good phone. I mean, honestly, what do you need an iPhone 11 for? Unless you're really heavy into photography and you just got to have the latest and the greatest, the iPhone 8 should suffice most people. It's pretty much sufficing me right now. I'm happy. I've got this new one, and we're going to verify a couple things when this is done. This is at 100%, so I think I should be good. If not, then I'll have to call Verizon. But yeah, pretty good. So this is pretty much done. So let me go ahead and finish setting this up, and I'll come back and we'll do the final check, and then I'll wrap this unboxing up. All right, so we are set up here with this, and so we're gonna try a couple things. So I keep moving pretty. I keep moving pretty fast. So, all right, so we're gonna verify everything. Go to settings. Finish out of 5. All right, so we're going to go to General, About Phone. Okay, 13.3 is a software version, and we're good to go. So this is the thing. As I was saying, Apple products have some of the best support ever, and I mean it's wonderful. It really is wonderful, and I really do appreciate Apple for making their older devices relevant. You know, I can't say that about other companies, Samsung, but you know, it it is okay though. So let's see some. Let me see some. All right, so we're good to go. So this phone here is a wonderful buy. I think you should consider it. I have my iPhone 8 Spigen case. I'm going to transfer that over here in a second, and I think we're good to go. So iPhone 8 unboxing 2020. Should you buy it? Absolutely, definitely worth it. So if this was helpful, informative, entertaining in any way, leave a like on the video. Comment down below what you guys think. Subscribe, share, tell your friends, all that other good stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.